Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video, we are opening up another Splendies package. So let's get in and let's get into this month's package. All right guys, welcome back. So as you can see, new place, new background. Just to let you guys know though, I'm still not convinced on where I should record my videos, so I'm not too sure, but I did, like I said in the last video, I did pre-record some videos, so you're gonna see some stuff in my new background and in my old background. So we digress. I just made a bunch of videos just in case I couldn't get set up in time. But my favorite subscription came in the mail, so we definitely had to give you guys a heads up because it came super early. So I'm super grateful. So again, this is Splendies, and every month, if you don't know, Splendies is a monthly underwear subscription, so you can keep yourself feeling fresh with new underwear each month. And the way that it works, it's $14.99 a month. Now they do go up to size 4X, I believe, but you can look at all the information online. But I have a special deal for you guys if you're interested. So there's actually a 50% off coupon. So if you want that coupon, definitely look under the video so you can grab that coupon code, and then you can get 50% off so that you don't actually pay $14.99, you pay half that price. All right, so each month your bag or your package comes in this little envelope here, and then it's very discreet. So all it does is say Splendies. Now, the only way someone would know what's in here is if they've ever heard of the company or if they Google it. So I don't think anyone has that much time in their hands, but so it's super discreet. Again, it comes in this super cute package. And then let me grab my scissors because I totally forgot them. And then it usually comes in like a wrapped tissue paper. So I'm just gonna make sure we don't cut this out. We don't cut the tissue, and this is what it looks like. So this month, there's usually like a theme with each month. So this tissue paper looks like that. And then let me just grab this so I don't rip it up at all. And then it's wrapped. So you see kind of an idea of what everything looks like. So usually what I do is with my subscriptions is I share this with my daughter. So I give her what she wants, I take what I want. So we kind of go like that. So I'm not overwhelmed. And usually what I do is I toss any old underwear that I need tossing, I toss them out. So I always have a fresh pair. So this one, it's actually really cute. So this one is, as you can see, it's blue at the top and it's full on see-through lace. So you see that there, it's really laced. So this is like, I would say this is kind of like a greenish blue color, like a light teal, I guess you would say that would be. That's what this looks like. And then, like I said, this is full on lace. So I love it. And then it has that little bow in the middle. And then this one is actually from, let me see what company, because they do send you a mixture of Splendies type and then their own brand, other brands. So this one is actually from Splendies. So that is super cute. I don't mind that one. And then this one, my daughter's probably gonna grab this one. This one kind of looks, this one is black and white, and then it has like yellow triangles inside. So this one is cute, and it also has lace on the outside, and then just blue, well, it looks like a dark navy blue at the top. So this one, and this one has a retail value of $12. So you see that there. And then last but not least, I guess this month was all about the sexy. And this one is also $12. This is, again, from Splendies. And this is more of a purple, so you can see that there. And then it has that ribbon, and it's laced trim. And then it actually has lace on the side. And it's basically outlined in lace. So basically everything is laced beside the middle and then the back. So I like that. All right, so let's do a recap and see what all we got this month. So again, we have the purple laced one. And then we have the black and white with yellow triangles inside with lace on the outside. And then we have the full on see-through underwears there. So what did you guys think of this month's package? This was for, what are we in? This is for April. Sorry, I had to think about it. This was for April. So what did you guys think about the April Splendies package? Was it exciting? I don't think I've ever had a bad package with this one. So like I said, there's definitely a coupon code in the underneath the video. So you guys can definitely check that out if you want to save some cash right now. But yeah, definitely a good subscription if you want a reliable, steady flow of new undies. I love them. So definitely let me know in the comment section below if you guys ever check this one out or if you plan on checking it out. And actually, just one quick question. Let me know in the comment section below what state or what country you're watching this from. Are you guys staying safe? I know for a lot of me, for a lot of my family, we're actually watching a lot of Netflix and listening to a lot of music. So I don't know. What are you guys doing during this day that we're all staying at home right now? So definitely let me know. And with that being said, you guys make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.